Hello, guys. Do you have like a really cool project that you just really want an installer for, but you're way too lazy to make one yourself? Well, you have my little project here called Installer Helper. All you need is a config.txt file, a Windows computer, and the installer itself. Let's start by the installer. Go into this link, this will also be in the description. Go into releases, the newest one of course. Then go and click installer.helper.exe. Yes. Now throw this exe file into a folder, anyone you like. You know it's mine when you can see it has my icon on it. Very nice. Anyway, you want to rename it into installer.exe instead of installer.helper.exe, because well, then it's just easier to read, honestly. Now it may say that this has no signature and it could be risky, but I will show you that it is not. It's very safe actually. Well, unless if somebody, makes the config wrong. Anyway, now you just make a new text file. You name it config.txt. After you do that, you just open up config.txt and you write this. You are else dash equals pass that thing equals and end of file dash dash. It has to be written with all caps because else installer.exe or installer.helper.exe will be very confused. Let's place a URL. Let's just go to one of my other projects. Bob. Just I don't know. Just give me What do I have? Yes, this will work. Yep. Yep, you will work perfectly. Yes. You just paste that in here. Let's have some more files actually. I want an exe2, so you can come with me. Yep. Remember, if the URL is like this, remember to add www.github.com. Else the installer.exe will also be confused. Don't ask me why, it just does. I really mean it, it just doesn't. What? I want a zip file too. I want to show you guys that this thing can install basically anything. So let's also install a zip file. Yes. Now again, this doesn't have the full URL, so you have to place www.github.com because GitHub doesn't do that itself apparently. Well, after you do this, you choose a path. I'll just copy this and then paste it in here. Yes, and do dash, and then we just that's not what I meant. You need to paste it, and we can just like copy this a few times and then replace this with this and replace this with this, and that's it. Now you just double click the installer, it does its thing, and there you go. It's all installed. That's it. That's literally it. Everything is here. The file, yep, and yep, it's Literally just that. Yeah, that's it. All that easy. It's literally just that easy. I should just stop now. Yeah. So yeah. See you guys next time. Bye bye.